these shattered chains, I'm reaching for the light. Years of shadows fade, I'm ready for the fight. One chance to break free, one spark to ignite. I'm climbing through the dark to claim my right. Yo, years in the trenches, dragging my soul. Hesitation heavy, dreams out of control. They said I'd never shine, said I'd never rise, but I flipped the script, saw truth in their lies. Lost in the void, I carried the weight, hate in my heart, wishing for fate. But I turned that pain into a fire inside. Now it's my turn, I'm taking a ride. What's my triumph? I rise, hearing my voice through the emerald skies. Standing tall when they all turn away. Pushing limits, they beg me to stay. What's my triumph? I shine, building dreams where the hopeless resign. Turning scars into strength every day. Believing in me when the world says nay. Regrets in my past, words I can't take. A lost soul wandering bent till I break. But breaking was freedom, the push I need to heal from the bottom, to plant my seed. They laughed at my vision, said I'd fall flat. Now I'm spitting my truth, rewriting the map. From despair's cold grip, I'm claiming the crown. Every setback's a step to tear doubts down. The velvet night, I found your glow. Every tear ever, every fear let go. Kids in my arms, I'll show them the way. No shadows of doubt will steal their day. The world unnoticed, hear my claim. I'm the storm, the fire, the unbroken flame. Years of yearning, years of strife, turned the blade of pain into a sharper life. They said I'd never make it, I'd never soar. Now I'm breaking chains, kicking down the door. Trust in the grind, faith in the fight. Success ain't a gift, it's earned in the night. One shot, one soul, I'm leading the race. The future's mine, I found my place. What's my triumph? I rise, hearing my voice through the emerald skies. Standing tall when they all turn away. Pushing limits, they beg me to stay. What's my triumph? I shine, building dreams where the hopeless resign. Turning scars into strength every day. Believing in me when the world says nay. Years of struggle, years of fire, years of climbing, lifted higher. Years of darkness, years of might. Now I stand beneath the golden light, I rise. I reign, no fear, no loss, no lingering pain. This is my shot, my soul's refrain. A champion true, I'll never wane. Years of struggle, years of fire, years of climbing, lifting higher. Years of darkness, years of might. Now I stand beneath the golden light. I rise, I reign, no fear, no loss, no lingering pain. This is my shot, my soul's refrain. A champion true, I'll never wane.
Caught in her spell, she's my escape, 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 escape. Feeling like a legend, just let it be, 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 be. Tastes like she might be the one in this wild ride we've just begun. I can never get enough. She's my sweet temptation, love. Living life like we're in a dream. We're the kings of this town. Call me when you're near, I said. Brought you something rare instead. Switching whips came back in black. Lights and cameras, no looking back. Baby, you're the recipe. Trying not to overeat. Legendary nights we soar. Living fast, we crave for more. never get enough. She's my sweet temptation, love. Living life like we're in a dream. We're the kings of this town. I can never get enough. She's my sweet temptation, love. Living life like we're in a dream. We're the kings of this town. Golden dawn, whisper, let the dogs out my name. I woke to a fever, heart beating wild. Crimson skies burning like a tidal wave's child. A voice in the distance, soft as a dream. Who lit this fire? Who's pulling the seam? Who set me free? Shining my soul. Dance through the day. I'm losing control. Who set me free? Under the velvet night I'll be. Shadows, the breeze in my hair. A question still echoes, it's floating in air. Was it the stars or the love in my veins? This wild, wild heart breaking all chains. Yo, check the vibe, I'm alive, no cage. Golden light flipping the page, new stage. Who cut the leash? Who turned the key? Souls on blast, now it's just me. Running wild, tidal waves crashing through. Freedom's the beat and I'm dancing too. Oh, I hear it now, the whisper's clear. It's my own heart shouting loud right here. Forever I'll rise, no fear, no plea. The answer's inside. Who set me free? Who set me free? Shining my soul. Dance through the day. I'm losing control. Who set me free? Under the velvet night I'll be. Oh, shine, shine, shine. Oh, free. Shine, shine. I wasn't there when shadows grew. Missed the weight you carried through. But now I see your silent glow. Dreams you hold, I need to know. Right you home. Through the years I've never roamed. Every line pulls us near. Promises chase away the fears. Stand with you. Time can't break what's still true. Inks my bridge across the miles. Fading ghosts in soft lit trials. I'll be steady, not ashamed. Every vow I ever made. Yeah, I'm back with a pen in hand, building bridges where I once ran. Words ignite like a flame reborn. case dust, but the O's still swarm. No more silence, I'm here to stay. Lines we draw light the way. Beneath the stars I'll hear your call. Every doubt I'll break its wall. One step closer, hearts align. You're my always, my desire. Write you home. Through the years I've never roamed. Every line pulls us near. Promises chase away the fear. Stand with you. Time can't break what's still true. Golden dawn will rise as one. Pages turn, our stories begun. Soft stand with you.
Stepping in, I'm on a rise. Money long, that just the skies. Enemies, they cutting ties. Real ones, they no disguise. Started from the bottom, now we here. Vision clear, no fear. Every move I persevere. Living legends, make it clear. Keep it real, always true. Ain't no fake, just me and you. In the spotlight, what we do. Living large, we make it through. Climbing mountains, breaking chains. Through the struggle, through the pain. Real ones with me, they remain. Never switching, staying in my lane. From the nights dark and cold to the stages, crowds behold. Story told, pure gold. Keep it real, watch it unfold. Reflecting on the days gone by. Had to hustle, had to try. Now we soaring, touch the sky. Real once we never die. Keep it real, always true. Ain't no fake, just me and you. In the spotlight, what we do. Living large, we make it through. Yeah, we keep it real. This the deal, this the deal. Like you keep it real. Yeah, we keep it real. This the deal, this the deal. Like you keep it real. Climbing mountains, breaking chains. Through the struggle, through the pain. Real ones with me, they remain. Never switching, staying in my lane. From the nights dark and cold to the stages, crowds behold. Story told, pure gold. Keep it real, watch it unfold. Reflecting on the days gone by. Had to hustle, had to try. Now we soaring, touch the sky. Real ones, we never die. Yeah, we keep it real. This the deal, this the deal. Like you keep it real. Like you keep it real.
Rising above, out of the grave, 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 living our truth, feel the wave, wave, wave.
Stay with me till the end of days. Together we'll soar through the dark, find our way. In this world of doubt, you're my beacon. Every day is getting colder, but we'll brave the night. Like birds of a feather, we'll stick together, 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 together. Facing any storm, we'll brave it forever, 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 forever. Rising above, out of the grave.
like beams lighting up the night. Take flight to keep you close, I'll make any sacrifice for you. I'll give everything, even the high horse. Oars
like birds of a feather, we'll stick together.